Oh, wait. One chewy one's coming out. Okay. Why does it sound so weird? I clogged the toilet. How dare you? I don't even call a plumber. Bang, bong, bang, bong. Wait, but how am I supposed to know what the plumber's number is? I'll go see.
Platforms over lava and dodge swarms that try to crush the player.
Dude!
Challenging, and I really like the placement of the stars.
Dude!
The boss here, Mega Goomba, is honestly one of the most fun fights in the game. Although I do think it would have been cool.
Dude! What?
To damage it, you have to press a button which brings up these.
That's the guy who I'm looking for.
High enough to jump off and
get out, dude!
After 3 hits, the Goomba goes.
Oh, no, I'm playing Nintendo!
World 5's castle is full of moving and bear belts and
you can watch.
You unlock a secret world. This one however, you have to bring a main.
Search it up. Oh, no, that's not his name. Oh, I get it back. No, Moro. I-O. A-O-I-O. Yeah. Get a clicky click. There you go. Okay. No. Where is it? I'll find it. Let me just... Where is it? There! Uh-huh. Maybe this is it.
Gabby, how does that make
Oh!
I like the watch that too.
Dumb! Why don't you delete trailers? Dude! Dumb. No. Ching. Okay. Okay.
Thank you, Super Mario Bros. It seems like the only thing you haven't drained is my bank account.
What?
For super service, call or text Super Mario Bros. Plumbing today at 92955 Mario.
Okay, so I gotta call that number. You can watch it. What's Mario Bros? No, I'm getting out. No. Okay. 29295 Mario. Okay. It doesn't have a number, but it said number on the bottom. That might be him. Okay. It's gotta be him. Hello? Hello, does someone call the Just come in. Oh, fine. Okay, what's the problem here? The toilet's clogged. Okay, yeah. It might take 15 minutes. Alright, let's see the image. Oh, what? Oh, nope. Nope. Let's try. There we go. And ew. There we go. Turn it on. That. Okay, fix it. How much did it cost? That would be $5,000. Ow! What's this? Five. I said it loud. Sorry, I do not have $5,000. Sorry. Okay, looks like I'm gonna unclog it. No. That'd be $0 to unclog it. Look, can you go clog it? Okay. Boom, 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 boom. March. I have to clog it again. Stupid clogging day. No one came to Mario Day. Ow, my. Thank God, where's Luigi? Oh, I flushed him down the toilet because he was like dun. That would be $20,000. It did not cost that much. I'll shred you. $5,000 or $12,000. You get out of my house. Okay, I'm gonna call the cops. No. Okay, Bonnie here has $5,000, right, pal? No, he has it. There, stop lying. You stop lying. Want to be lit and die? No? Good. La. Why don't I give you an account? Fine, I'll go get the $5,000. Here. Okay. Thank you for my balance. It looks like all you need to do is plug my bank account. Call Super Mario brother. Okay, bye. Oh yeah, I forgot something. Don't you think it's gonna be cold outside? It won't be. What if it's cold outside? I just forgot my plumbing tools. Okay, bye. Does anybody have a jacket?